because you will change the meaning when you say the, right? If we look at these three words,
Yeah.
Summum means deaf, Bukmun means mute, Umyun means blind. The three of them end with tanween. The first one is followed by ba. So the rule here is it becomes meme, pronounced like Summum Bukmun, right? So this is it. Here, the meme has tanween, it's followed by ayn. So this is izhar. Bukmun umyun. The noon is very clear. The ya here, which has tanween, followed by fa, so this is ikhfa. So umyum fahum. You don't pronounce the noon, it only the gunna appears. Okay? So that's, otherwise, is any other questions? Can you ask if someone wants to?
Does anyone who is joining us online has any question? They can either, yeah, okay, go ahead.
Alaykum salam.
The Lord, maybe we can show how it's pronounced, the placement of the tongue in pronouncing the Lord, because I think that's where a lot of the issues in that pronunciation of the Lord.
So he is asking basically that God, how should we be twisting our tongue to pronounce it properly?
It comes from the top of the mouth.
Just like I was explaining to him, it's easy for people like from Urdu speaking, people know what is the dal and dal. Dal make it bold. Do.
Or no, another thing, dua, dal, ayn alif, dua.
Explain to him?
Yeah.
Dua.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. We were explaining to our brother in here for Pakistani background. For us, it is easy to pronounce if we think the word dal and zal. दाल को अगर हम बोल्ड कर दें तो बन जाता है दो, मतलब दालिम. दाल सिंपल है वो दो. फॉर एग्जांपल सीन और स्वाद में क्या फ़र्क है? वो सीन सिमिलर साउंड है बट स्वाद इज बोल्ड, इज थिक वर्ड. सिमिलर काफ एंड कॉफ. या काफ काबा एंड कॉफ किबला. काफ we make it bold, it becomes qaf. Okay, meaning changes. Just like
Sorry, how I was taught to pronounce it is to put the edge of the tongue against the side of the teeth, so you get a floor.
No, Zawad is wrong. As Sheikh said, he's absolutely right. In Pakistan, two Mukatabe fikr, I do not want to name them. One is in majority, they pronounce correct. That's Walad Dalim. You put the tongue underneath the top teeth. Top teeth, Walad Dalim. Just behind the top teeth. Yeah, just behind the top teeth, just before that. That becomes do. Dal, do. Yeah, think you are pronouncing, making it dal as a thick, becomes do. Meaning changes. By just making thick, meaning changes. That's how beautiful. I mean, like Surah Al-Ikhlas start with qul huwa Allah. Qul says qul, not qul. Qul means eat, to eat. And it's a very bad meaning. Against Allah's sham. His Majesty has to be treated with a proper word. It's a qul huwa Allahu ahad. Okay? You're just making it thick, the meaning changes, the word changes. The same is dal and do. Think you are trying to say dal, but in making it. उसको मोटा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. अगर आप उर्दू समझ में आती है. भैया.
Anybody else has any question they can ask? We still have a few more minutes, so you can.
What anybody wants to read?
Or if somebody wants to read, just one sec,
Yeah.
let me see if somebody has put it in the comments or anything.
Posted.
No, there's nothing I can see in chat, but If you want, you still have time.
So how we, sorry, I'm again stuck with this thing. So how we are going to know now we have to pronounce it dualin or zala, dual. So how we are going to know?
There is a
Well, you have to see the word, the letter. There is difference between the two letters.
जुल्मात ज़ौ ठीक है तो ज़ौ का नहीं मसला है ना दौत का मसला है वो जुल्मात नहीं तो ज़ौ तो वो सेम है क्या वो
Zulumat ही है.
See, this one,
Yeah,
this one has, it doesn't have an
different letter
verting. They are different letters.
Yeah.
But when you look at them,
yeah,
the dha has this
line, yeah,
line.
yeah,
The dad doesn't have.
yeah,
Even when you pronounce it as a letter, you do. This is dad, 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 alif, dal. This is dha.
okay,
Okay.
yeah,
So look for this. If this there,
yeah,
then it becomes dha.
okay,
If this is not there,
oh,
it
okay,
becomes dal.
dot,
In Urdu alphabets, this dal is pronounced as Zawad, and this dal is pronounced as Za, Pa, Za. So
No.
that's why it
Yeah.
creates confusion. Because
No, we need to be careful about this.
yes, okay, yeah,
it's like a raw and za big top thick becomes zo
That's right.
yeah say dal becomes thick becomes dot yeah that's true
Allah Akbar.
तो zo का नहीं changing करना
And
वैसे
Well, the challenge for the Arabic-speaking people
yes,
is they confuse this with ta,
yeah,
right? Ta is a soft, as you say. When it is soft, it becomes ta. When it is strong, it becomes da. Like dha and zain.
but for us it's more confusing with dal.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
dal and
yeah.
dal makes the same sound.
What I'm saying is
we
that
have different challenges
there are confusions everywhere. It's
Yes.
not only for people who speak Urdu, but
like pay, Pakistan,
yeah,
in Arabic there is no pay, it's bay.
exactly, yes.
Yeah, it's ba.
Pakistan,
So
not
Pakistan, but it's actually Pakistan. Pay is a different word from ba.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Ba.
We were talking with Brother Salimi coming
Yeah.
here. Reciting Quran has to be done by listening. You cannot just read it and understand
yeah,
it.
that's the,
You have to listen to
Listen.
it
yeah.
so that
Yeah,
you someone can correct it if you make a mistake.
Yeah,
So please don't
Sure.
hesitate to ask any question. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
we are here to learn, and that's the idea. Any other question?
no,
and
no,
I say wala dali
Wala doli, huh?
yeah.
You know, the way to do this is to
Hospital?
repeat it as often as
अपनी
possible.
जमात में wala dali नहीं पढ़ाते हैं
Sorry, say it again?
To repeat it as often as possible.
Yes,
Yeah.
You
that's
know,
the other.
when there is something that bothers me, I keep repeating it until I get.
No, that's
I
fine.
get it.
All right.
या मेन लेसन यही है कि नमाज आप हर वक्त पढ़ते हो उसमें दुआ नहीं पढ़ते।
Yeah.
Wala
बाकी
doli.
तो
ये
ठीक है।
बाकी मेन ज़्यादा वही है वो ठीक हो जाएगा बाकी खुद ही ठीक हो जाएगा All right.
May I
Okay.
suggest something?
Sure.
All of us should try to listen to a recitation before coming and repeat it ourselves.
Exactly, that's what Sheikh is saying, yeah. He said as
I
much as
do
possible.
not think that many of us are following, either listening to it or reading at home. When you come here for the first time, you are going to make errors. So if you have already practiced it, there will be fewer errors. There may be, yes, but Listen to the Quran and copy it, just like you learn English. Otherwise, your pronunciation will be as bad as Italian or French.
Anyway, in this presentation, there is 3 more verses, so that may be a good idea to
Before.
read it before
practice
coming,
it before, yeah.
and inshallah when you come here, we can,
Next 3 verses.
yeah. It isn't, did you say, do they have the presentation or?
No, we don't share it.
Came in too late, so we couldn't send
Yeah,
it.
but if you allow, I can share those 3 verses at least.
Sure.
Yeah. I will try to find the one written in our Urdu,
Style.
style.
Good idea. If you
360,
can-
Islam 360.
वो भी और भी साइट से यहाँ से आप कर सकते हो बहुत सारी मदद
If you have a source for this, I can use that
Yeah,
if you want.
inshallah. Next time I'll figure something out. I'll share it beforehand with you,
Sure.
so maybe you can adjust it in the slide.
Inshallah.
So we are done here. Jazakallah khair, everyone.
Jazakallah,
And
thank you very
inshallah,
much.
see